Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Gucci triple unboxing to share with you. This is not a brand that I generally show on my channel because in general I'm not the biggest Gucci fan, but I actually found these three items that I just fell in love with and I thought, you know, why not? I'm gonna go for it. And yeah, I want to share them with you guys and you can let me know what you think. I'll explain my choices after I unbox them. So I'm going to start, I think I'm going to go smallest to largest. So I think the smallest item is in this bag here. Yeah. Okay, so as you can tell from the size of the box, it is an SLG. So let's open it. And to reveal, here is, oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I have not seen two of the items in person. I purchased them by phone and they were shipped to me. So this one and one other item, the other item I purchased in person. And what made me fall in love with this card holder is the color. It's just this really pretty kind of seafoam green. I think they might call it water green. And it is, yeah, it's just really, really pretty. And it's got the shiny silver hardware, which I really like. I don't think I would have liked it as much with the typical brushed gold hardware that the Marmont line usually has. So it's, yeah, it's just a flat card holder. Looks like it has two slots on this side and then two slots on the back and then the slot in the middle. So yeah, so that is the first item. And yeah, the color is really cute. It's really pretty. All right, the next one is going to be in this bag. Okay, so here is, just adjust the angle here. Here is the box. And dust bags. And here they are. So these are the Gucci, I think they're still called the Ace sneakers. Let me just see the, it doesn't say on there, but I think they're still considered the Gucci Ace sneakers, but they are in the same water green color. So I'll just show you them side by side. Let's see. Yeah, so I just thought that was such a cute match. And yeah, I love my other pair of Gucci sneakers, so I thought, I just thought these were really, really cute. And I love how it's the tone-on-tone laces as well. And then the back just says Gucci, and it's a slightly darker green on that back piece of leather. And even the sole is like a mint green color. And these run really big. I'm normally a 7.5, but I got a 6.5 in these Gucci sneakers run really big. Yeah, so that's just the other one. I'll just, to keep it short, I'm not going to unpackage the other one, but yeah, I thought that was really cute, and I love this color. I mean, if you know me, you know I love any sort of like turquoise or like mint green kind of colors. So as soon as I saw those, I was like, yes, I have to have them. And the final item, you may guess what it is. The biggest item is in this bag. Okay, just the box. Okay, so here is the box, and oh, this must be my receipt. And that looks like it's just a card from my SA, and I'll just read that after. So here is the box, and excited to see this one. So this is one that I ordered by phone, so I didn't actually purchase it in person. Okay. Packaged nicely. The dust bag. And it's all wrapped nicely in foam. Let me take that off. To reveal, here is the Gucci Marmont, and this is the mini size, not the super mini, but the mini size in the same water green color. So they all match. So there's the card holder and the bag, and then the shoes. I just thought that was such a cute set. So I've never been a huge fan of Gucci Marmont. I did get a white super mini ages ago, but I ended up selling it pretty quickly because I just found it didn't work for me. It was just too small. But when I saw it, the Marmont in this color with the silver hardware, I just fell in love with it. I don't know why, like I've never loved the Marmont line ever. But this, yeah, this colorway just, I don't know, it converted me. And that's the inside. And this size, I just thought was really cute. It came in the next size up, the small, but I thought it looked much cuter in this size. And this seems like it'll hold quite a bit. I'll maybe do a what fits and first impressions review once I've used it a little bit, but yeah, it's got the 4 grommets and it can be worn on the shoulder or cross body. And I know some people don't like that heart on the back. My daughter loves it, but you know, she's 10. It doesn't bother me. I think it's fine. It's kind of cute, but yeah, I don't know. I love it. Like I've never ever loved the Gucci Marmont line at all. I don't know why. I know a lot of people really like it, but yeah, this combination of this green and the silver hardware, it just seems really fresh to me and really, I don't know. I just think it'll be a really pretty bag and will go with a lot of my wardrobe because I just wear a lot of colors like this. And yeah, so let me know what you think. That's my triple Gucci unboxing. And yeah, I'll use the card holder with it. I thought that was a nice little set. You guys know I love having matching sets. And then the sneakers. I just think that'll look so cute, just with like jeans and a t-shirt and the bag and the shoes. I just thought that would look really, really cute. So anyway, so that is my unboxing for today. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you like the Gucci Marmont line? Are you a fan? Do you have any Gucci Marmont bags, and do you have this size, and do you like the size? Did I make the right choice? I know the next size up, the small, fits quite a bit more, but I just liked the look of this. Like I have a picture of them side by side, and I just liked the look of this size better, and I thought it would look better crossbody. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you think, and I'm gonna end the video there. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.